Here's how you can do the snoring mouth, and you can do the animation mouth. Okay, so let's start. You can use the adjustments. So let's start. Okay, that's the background. I need the bed where? Oh, over here. This is my favorite. Put off the shadow and get the names of. I need the pose first. Okay, this one. Get the name of. Not to screenshot yet. Yeah, okay. Get the mouth. Okay. Use the adjustments. Nah, not the ass. And screenshot. Adjustments is quite important, so you need to get it into its one. No, not the ads again. Why do I need the ads? Okay. Adjustments again. Keep going into its one. If it's one, you can go. No. Okay, this is going to be one now. Okay. No, not the ads. It's going to be one. Please keep going. Okay. And that's how you do it. Bye bye everyone.